Now, for a very long time, we have been using GenAI mainly by writing prompts. And here I have tried to kind of visualize what that means. And so it kind of means that you enter an empty room and that you will read from a paper an instruction that it will then execute. Yeah, but every time when you leave the room will stay empty. Then when you come back in, you actually have to give a lot of information in your prompt because the room is empty and ChatGPT or Claude will not know a lot about you. And so that is why today context engineering has become so important. And let me try to visualize what that means. Yeah, so when we talk about context engineering, it actually means that we will decorate a room with all kinds of information that Claude or ChatGPT can use to help us. And more specifically, what can you use as decoration? We have a memory. Yeah, so both Claude and OpenAI keep a memory of you, so they know a bit what you have done with ChatGPT or Claude in the past. You can give instructions on how Claude or ChatGPT should act in a particular room. You can give the room some knowledge sources, and you can give the room some skills. And these are kind of specific capabilities that it can leverage whenever it thinks it is necessary. And in that way, actually, your prompt, what you are reading from the paper, is becoming less important and the context is becoming more important. Moreover, every time when you now enter that room, ChatGPT or Claude will already know a lot about you. And so we use projects in Claude and ChatGPT to create these kinds of rooms. And that means if you want to create a good project, you will have to give instructions, knowledge sources, and skills.